In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva templates in Google Slides. If you've ever designed a beautiful presentation in Canva and then needed to present or collaborate in Google Slides, this process will make that transition smooth and straightforward. I'll walk you through each step slowly, explain what's happening, and share a few tips along the way. First, start in Canva. Open the template you want to use inside the Canva editor. Make sure all your slides look the way you want. Check your text, images, and colors, because once we move it over, you'll be working in Google Slides instead of Canva. When you're ready, go to the top right corner of the Canva editor and find the Share button. Click on Share, and from the drop-down menu, choose Download. A panel will open where you can choose the file type. This part is important. Change the file type to PPTX, which is the standard PowerPoint format. Google Slides can read this format easily. After selecting PPTX, click Download and wait for the file to be saved to your computer. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your design, this might take a few moments, so just let it finish. Once the download is complete, switch over to Google Slides in your browser. You can either open an existing presentation where you want to bring in the Canva design, or simply go to Google Slides and start from a new blank presentation. At the top menu bar in Google Slides, click on File and then choose Open. A pop-up window will appear. In that window, go to the Upload tab. Here, click on the Browse button. This will open your computer's file browser. Navigate to the folder where your Canva PPTX file was downloaded, select it, and then either press Enter on your keyboard or click Open. Google Slides will now upload and convert that PPTX file into a Google Slides presentation. The time this takes will depend on the size and complexity of your Canva template, so give it a moment. When it's done, the window will refresh and you'll see your Canva design, now fully opened as a Google Slides file. From here, you can edit your slides, adjust text, add new slides, or share the presentation with others, just like any other Google Slides deck. And that's it. You've successfully turned a Canva template into a Google Slides presentation.